Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is Angel Nodes updates, contests, airdrops, and tons of stuff. This is a paid video. As always, this is not financial advice. All crypto investments are very risky, so only invest amounts you're willing to lose. That being said, I just got myself an airdrop. I received 3 Angel tokens a couple days ago. These guys are busy. Lots of news happens with Angel Nodes, so we're going to go through that. And there are some lots of changes, lots of improvements, upgrades, and all kinds of good stuff. So let's dive in. All right. So, well, this is one of the main things. The price of Dark Angel nodes is now discounted to 40 angels during the Angel Lucky Charm lottery. So they've got this lottery contest going on. We're going to explain that in further detail soon. There's also the selling tax has been reduced from 15% to 9%, so that's good news as well. And they just got themselves, this is the Genesis month airdrop delivered that I just got. But there's going to be further airdrops as well. So, but the main thing I wanted to show you was that they passed the Certik audit process. So the report is coming very soon. They are at 99% of the process. So they found a couple of issues. The issues were resolved or mitigated. But this is very good. This is very good. All right. So soon you'll be able to read the audit whenever it's ready. So it should be in a matter of days. Okay. They expect here on the 18th to be delivered. So it's in a day or so. All right. And so, to celebrate their Certik audit process, and also that they have now over 10,000 nodes have been created already, they're hosting a couple contests with total prizes of about $10,000. And let's have a look. So one contest is started on March 16, and the other one is coming over the weekend. Okay. So this is one of the contests. It's called the Angel Lucky Charms Lottery. So there's $5,000 worth of Angel tokens that are going to be awarded. So all you have to do is make sure you create a node in time for the contest, and you're going to be eligible. So starting on March 16 at 1800 hours UTC, each newly created node will earn you tickets according to the node's tiers until the 23rd of March. So still have time to do this. And it says, keep in mind, the more tickets you have, the better your chances of winning. So if you've got a plain old Angel node, you get a single ticket. If you get yourself a Dark Angel node, you're going to get 5 tickets. And you get an Archangel node, you're going to get 10 tickets. So, and you can have as many nodes as you want. So if you want to get more tickets. So there's going to be 3 grand prizes. The first one is $2,500. The second one, $1,500. The third one, $650. And the 4th and 10th places will get $50 prizes. All right. So again, it starts on March 16 and ends on March 23rd. The distribution is going to be at the end of March. Okay, so that's one of their contests. Then you got another contest where they're going to distribute another 5,000. They call this the Angel Elite Club Big Buy Contest. So the 3 wallets that make the biggest Angel token buys in a single transaction within the contest period are going to be rewarded with these prizes. So it's a little bit like, I don't know, let's say you buy 100 or 200 Angel tokens, and let's say that's the largest number, then you could win these prizes. I don't know how much you need to buy for this. It depends on what people are going to buy during that time period between March 19 and March 21st. Okay, so you got a couple of days to try to win that contest. All right. So, and they say, remember that the transactions have to be made in a single transaction. So if you buy like 50 tokens and 50 tokens, that's not going to help. You should buy them all in one shot. All right. So now that's, yeah. So we talked about this one. Hang on, and this one as well. Yeah. So this is the Certik audit again. Now, what we got here, this is some important changes that have been made to the regular tier 1 angel node. Okay, it used to be that you needed only 10 tokens, I believe. That's what I did. Yeah, I think that was the amount earlier, and now it's going to be raised to 17 tokens starting on the 13th of March, and that's going to go up to 33 angel tokens within 2 months. So from the on the 27th, you're going to need 23 angels to get one node. The yield is going to be 0.111 angel token. So monthly ROI is going to be 14.4%. On the 13th of April, you need 27 angel tokens to create the node. And the yield is going to go up to 0.133, which is a monthly ROI of 14.7%. And on the 13th of May, the price is going to top at 33 angel tokens per node with a yield of 0.166 and a monthly ROI of 15%. So those are good ROIs. It's just that you need a few more tokens to buy the new nodes. Okay. Why they decided to do this? While they're doing the audit process, the auditors reviewed the code and everything, and then they had some discussions with the devs, and then they figured out that it would be needed to have healthier reward distribution in the future, and to decrease the distribution costs, because there are swap fees involved each time. So that reduces the cost quite a bit. It's going to be a lot easier to maintain the project longer by doing. So it says previous node owners also benefit from the yield increase, so better start stacking your tier 1 nodes after this announcement. So even if you have an older node, your yield is going to increase. So it's going to go up to an ROI of 15, okay, by May 13. So even if you bought the node with a lot less tokens earlier on, you still benefit. So everybody benefits. It's a great idea. It says here, this is very, very important also. A lot of people have been asking how they're going to maintain the price of the token or try to push it up. So the angel token will start to deflate this month and will become scarcer day by day. The kickstart, they already kickstarted the burning process with 13% of the total supply burn from the reward reserves. So you can see the transaction right here. Okay, so they're going to gradually burn more and more and more tokens. All right, so that should push the price of the token up. The Genesis airdrop shipment will start within a week. So that was, yeah, that's the new one. Okay, not the one that I already received. That's the new one. And all that the airdrop eligible wallets will be whitelisted on Nemesis Pro pre-sale. So, and they're gonna have a Nemesis Pro pre-sale. And the next wave of marketing will be starting in a couple of days, and more details will be posted by R1 soon. So there's more information coming about this. So definitely follow them on Discord and follow them on Twitter, because these guys are busy. There's always new stuff every month. Okay, this is not like the Nemesis team with Angel Nodes and Nemesis DAO are always busy doing new stuff. Okay, that's one of the things I really like about them. And definitely follow them, otherwise you're going to miss out on all these contests and things that are happening all the time. All right, now this is the Nemesis month airdrop that they talked about. You have to be on to have a node before March the 3rd, okay, to get that airdrop. All right, otherwise you're not going to get the airdrop. So 1,656 wallet addresses already got that. We can actually see those that already got the airdrops. They're all listed in here. They have these transactions. I think the transactions, where are they? Yeah, they're right here. These are all the transactions that they did for all those 1,600 people. So everything can be verified. That's what I really like about this team. They're very, very, very transparent. Okay, you can see everything. All right. So, and again, these are the current promotions and contests. So 40% discount on Dark Angel nodes until March 23rd. You have the Angel Lucky Charm Lottery. Okay, so if you create new nodes, you get tickets. The higher the tier, the more tickets you get, right? And then you have a chance of winning a ton of money. And then same thing, if you decide to buy a large number of Angel Node tokens, you can also win a lot of money. So there's like $10,000 available to be won on all these contests right now, and they're happening right now. Okay, so if you like Angel Nodes, it's a good time to get your hands on more Angel Node tokens. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. All you have to do is put your name, your email address, and hit the submit button. And then you get a big fat button that says download the free book. If you miss that button, don't worry. We're giving you another email with a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you don't want to download the free book, you can always go to Amazon, pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a whole $1. Yeah. See ya.